Thank you. You're far too kind. Far too kind. As I'm sitting here looking at these mountains as I'm approaching, and I'm going, God damn, what in the hell am I doing out here in these mountains? I should be doing, the music is wrong, the weather is wrong, everything is wrong, but I'm still rolling. I'm out here to give y'all the best sceneries, the best sights, the best videos, the best footage, whatever you want to classify it as. This is what we do. We ride the world. We ride the road. We road riders. There's no way to explain it. It's in our DNA. You must have seen somebody before your time. You reincarnated. That's just what it is. Enjoy it, because it's a gift. Thank you for tuning in.